my friends, welcome to my channel.
Hello my friends, welcome. Hello my friends, welcome to a new YouTube video. Hello my friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm going to go buy the iPad Air M1 with the Apple Pencil 2nd generation at the Apple store. We just made that reservation for the iPad Air in the Apple store, the Galleria Mall. Hello, this is the new MacBook Air with M2. I already bought the iPad and the Apple Pencil. I'm going to do the unboxing at home. I am back home. The iPad has a student discount of $50 and they gave us a gift card of $100 and the Apple Pencil has a $10 student discount and it costed, without the student discount, $129, with the student discount $119. Florida has tax-free from July 25th to August 7th, 2022. Some of the iPads have tax-free, some of the Macs have tax-free, and some of the iPhones have tax-free. But the Apple Pencil doesn't have tax-free. The iPad costed $549. The Apple Pencil costs $119 plus tax. That's $127 plus the gift card is $27. Now is the time for unboxing. I'm going to put the gift card on the side. I'm going to put the iPad on the side, and I'm going to start with the Apple Pencil 2nd generation. Here it has a pull tab. I'm going to let's see what is in the design by Apple in California. Has a manual, instructions, Apple Pencil info, and another Apple Pencil info, but there's no stickers. Let's see how is the Apple Pencil. I'm going to open it. But now let's put the instructions away. The difference between the Apple Pencil 1st generation and the 2nd generation, that the Apple Pencil 2nd generation charges magnetically, but it doesn't have the lid as the 1st generation Apple Pencil. This is the iPad Air 5th generation. This is a Wi-Fi version in Starlight and 64 gigabytes. Now I am going to open it. That's the lid with the color of the iPad. Let's put the iPad on the side. Let's see what is in the instructions that says designed by Apple in California. Let's start with the Apple stickers. Comes two in white iPad Air, the tips guide, and iPad info. Let's put it on the side and let's see what else comes in the box. A 20-watt power adapter, and a USB-C to USB-C cable. And the USB-C cable is a 1-meter cable. Now I'm going to open the iPad. This is the iPad Air 5th generation. And here is the Apple Pencil charging part. Has a smart connector on the back and has a Touch ID on the power button. And right here has one USB-C port, one speaker on this side, one speaker on this side, and one speaker on this side, one speaker on this side. That means it has 4 speakers. Now let's turn on the iPad. It's turning on. I'm going to put the Apple Pencil on the iPad. And it says, hello. The weird thing about the iPad 4th generation, it didn't have 4G, it had 3G. This iPad with the Wi-Fi plus cellular has 5G. This is the Wi-Fi version, and the colors available is blue, space gray, pink, and starlight. And this is the starlight color. And the memories, the storage that comes in is 64 gigabytes, that is this one, and there's a more expensive one that is 256 gigabytes. I am not done yet, the case is arriving later. For the iPad Air, it just arrived. I'm going to open the box right now. I'm going to open the box where the case came. We have some bubble wrap. And here we have the box of the case that says tablet case. I'm going to put the iPad in the case. I'm going to put the Apple Pencil in the case. This iPad case is in pink. You can put it like this, or you can fold it and put the iPad like this. With the Apple Pencil, you can scribble some letters. Bye, my friends. See you in the next unboxing.